Some of the battles you refuse to fight today, your children will have to fight. If you don't confront lust, your son will grow up fighting that same demon. If you don't confront insecurity, your daughter will grow up questioning her worth. If you don't break the cycle of addiction and divorce, you're not ending a war. You're postponing it to the next generation. The enemy loves generational patterns. He doesn't mind waiting. He'll take out your children if you won't stand up today. The Bible says in Judges 2, a generation arose that did not know the Lord because the generation before them failed to pass down obedience. And God said to Joshua, choose this day whom you will serve, but as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Joshua 24:15. Not me and my feelings, not me and my excuses, me and my house. Men of God, your kids don't need a perfect father. They need a fighting father. A father who says, it ends with me. The lust ends with me. The anger ends with me. The addiction ends with me. The cycle ends with me. Because if you don't fight your giants, your children will inherit them. So I'm here to announce to you today, arise and fight. How many more generations is the enemy going to take from us before you stand up and say, enough is enough?